Losing weight can be a challenging journey, and it's not uncommon to encounter setbacks along the way.
However, sometimes we make mistakes that we're not even aware of, which can hinder our progress and make it difficult to achieve our weight loss goals. In this video, we'll highlight 15 common mistakes that people make when trying to lose weight and how to avoid them. Skipping meals. Skipping meals can cause your metabolism to slow down and make it harder to lose weight. When you skip meals, your body may go into starvation mode, which can cause it to store fat instead of burning it. Instead of skipping meals, aim to eat small, frequent meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism going. Not drinking enough water. Drinking water is essential for weight loss because it helps to flush out toxins from your body and can help you feel full, preventing overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day, and increase your intake during hot weather or after exercise. Relying on fad diets. Fad diets promise quick weight loss but often result in rebound weight gain. These diets usually restrict certain food groups or have very low calorie limits, which can cause nutrient deficiencies and slow down your metabolism. Instead, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes, such as eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly. Overeating healthy foods. While healthy foods are great for your body, overeating them can still lead to weight gain. Remember to watch your portion sizes and keep track of your calorie intake, even if you're eating healthy foods. Ignoring portion sizes. Portion sizes are important for weight loss because they directly impact your calorie intake. Many people underestimate the amount of food they're eating and end up consuming more calories than they realize. Use measuring cups or a food scale to measure out your portions and track your calorie intake. Consuming too many liquid calories. Liquid calories from sugary drinks, alcohol, and even fruit juices can add up quickly and contribute to weight gain. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, and black coffee to minimize liquid calorie intake. Eating too fast. Eating too fast can lead to overeating because your brain doesn't have enough time to register that you're full. Slow down your eating pace, savor each bite, and take breaks between bites to give your brain time to catch up. Not getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can cause hormone imbalances that lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help regulate hormones and support weight loss efforts. Not including strength training in your workout routine. Strength training builds muscle, which increases your metabolism and helps burn more calories. Include strength training exercises in your workout routine at least 2 to 3 times a week to support weight loss. Not varying your workout routine. Doing the same workout routine over and over can lead to a weight loss plateau. Switch up your workout routine to challenge your body and keep your metabolism going. Overestimating calorie burn from exercise. It's easy to overestimate how many calories you're burning during exercise, which can lead to overeating and slow down weight loss progress. Use a heart rate monitor or fitness tracker to get a more accurate estimate of how many calories you're burning during exercise. Being too restrictive with your diet. Being too restrictive with your diet can lead to binge eating and rebound weight gain. Instead of cutting out entire food groups, focus on moderation and portion control. Not tracking your food intake. Keeping track of your calorie intake can help you stay accountable and make adjustments to your diet as needed. Use a food diary or tracking app to keep track of what you're eating and how many calories you're consuming. Rewarding yourself with food. Using food as a reward can lead to emotional eating and weight gain. Find non-food ways to reward yourself for achieving weight loss milestones, such as treating yourself to a new outfit or going on a hike. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to lose weight is not being patient with the process. Losing weight is not something that happens overnight. It takes time, consistency, and patience. Many people give up too soon because they don't see the results they want right away. It's important to remember that healthy and sustainable weight loss is typically around 1 to 2 pounds per week. Anything more than that is usually not sustainable and could be unhealthy. It's also important to keep in mind that weight loss is not linear. There may be weeks where you lose more or less than usual, or even gain weight. Patience is key when it comes to weight loss. It's important to focus on making small, sustainable changes to your diet and exercise routine rather than trying to make drastic changes all at once. This will help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. It's also important to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember that every step you take towards your weight loss goal is a step in the right direction. and it's important to recognize and celebrate your efforts. Finally, it's important to have a positive mindset and focus on the benefits of a healthy lifestyle beyond just weight loss. Exercise and healthy eating can improve your mood, energy levels, and overall health, even if the scale isn't moving as quickly as you'd like. Remember that slow and steady progress is better than no progress at all. These are just a few common mistakes that people make when trying to lose weight. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and it's important to be patient and consistent with your efforts. By avoiding these mistakes and making small changes to your lifestyle, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips.